All right, back to Meghalaya. Meghalaya Chief Minister Kongrat Sangma assured today that the state will get rid of load shedding within the next 24 hours. With the assistance from the state government and after obtaining a firm repayment commitment from MEACL, the power grid has withdrawn the regulation notice with immediate effect, Chief Minister Sangma said. This comes as a major relief for the consumers in Meghalaya as they had to face power outage for a total of 7 hours daily since Sunday. The MEACL on Sunday informed that a total of 7-hour daily load shedding would take place across the state. The MEACL owes rupees 74.65 crore to Power Grid Corporation of India Limited as transmission charges, and it was not in a position to pay the dues due to extreme financial condition of the company. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister has also urged the citizens to pay the bills on time so that the MEACL could get out of the financial problems being faced by it currently.
I'm happy to inform the citizens of the state and all the consumers of the state that the load shedding will be removed completely in the next 24 hours. So there will be no load shedding in the state at all. We have discussed it with PGCIL and necessary steps are being taken to ensure that the load shedding is completely taken out. But while saying this, I would also like to put in a note that MECL has gone through a lot of difficulty and a lot of challenges for many years now. And there have been many efforts now to ensure that we are able to reform and strengthen MECL overall. There were steps taken by dividing the different agencies and companies from generation, distribution, transmission, and many other steps have been taken to restructure and reform MECL. Apart from that, there are a lot of areas where outstanding bills have been there. There are many areas also where the actual bills are not coming out as an actual, where there are issues of metering that are taking place. In this regard, I would like to take this opportunity also to appeal to our citizens of the state and to all the consumers of MECL that if we want MECL to become healthy again and to ensure that there is proper power supply, we need to ensure that our bills are paid on time. So with these words, once again, I'd like to inform everyone that the entire load shedding that is there, within the next 24 hours, as I said, so it could be before also, it could be just about 24 hours, but within 24 hours, we will see that this entire load shedding will be reduced. So this requires some official communication also, as well as some technical work that has to be done